What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So for everyone that's new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate you all watching my videos, and for everyone that has subscribed, I really appreciate you subscribing to the channel and coming back and watching the videos. It's really good to have some support, especially when it's a new channel. But again, I want to keep putting out good quality content for everyone, and I'm going to put out as much good quality content as possible to share my knowledge. So basically today I'm just doing some analysis on Algo on the 4H time frame, and then I will be scaling down onto the 1H just to give you a bit of more lower time frame analysis. So what I can see is, we've had the price pushing up, and what we've done is we've ran into this area of resistance. Now we didn't quite tap into it, and ideally, it'd be good if we'd have tapped into the top, like from the candle bodies to the wicks, but we didn't quite get that. Now what I can see is, let me just show you where we've had this uptrend like so, and then what's happened is basically we've pushed up into this area, but we didn't quite get it, and then we've had that strong 4H bearish momentum coming in, taking out key areas of support. Now anyone who wants to argue that this isn't support, it definitely is, and if you look on your 1H time frame, you will see that this is support. You can see there, for many hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, you got four 4H candles basically consolidating there, holding this level of support, and then you've had that push up. But basically what has happened is we've had that strong volume breaking through this area and taking out key levels, which is a good indication that you're going to get a reversal in trend. And then of course, what has happened after we've had that 4H, we've had the pullback, exhaustion, and then we've had that continuation, and then we've started taking out again key areas of support, just smashing through them basically, and getting that continuation. Now if you are to look on your lower time frame, I will just highlight this area. What happens is, when you're in a downtrend like this, you start breaking out of key areas of support, and when you break out, you tend to get the break and then the retest and then the continuation. And if I show you on the 1H time frame, it's a really good example of a breaking out of this key area. This is your retest to create the lower high, and now we're looking for the lower low, which you can see price pushing down. So basically we're just looking to get this continuation. Now my next level, which I'll be targeting for some areas of support within the market, is 0.2576 basically. Doesn't have to be too precise. Now we could potentially just get this pullback into this area like here to create a double top. I'll just get rid of this so you can see clearly. Looking for potential double top in and around this area to then get that continuation back down into these lows like so. Or we could have a slight pullback just to create a new high, lower high, and then get the continuation down into the lows. And then of course, if this does happen and we continue to get the bearish trend like so, if we start breaking out of these areas with strong 4H momentum or 1H, both evenly powerful time frames, the 4H even more so because it's the higher time frame, you've got more data within each candle. But I'll just jump back onto the 1H. If you start getting the breakouts with strong momentum, again, just like we showed you further up, you can then look for them continuation sells back down some major key areas of support. Now let's just zoom out and find these major key areas. So yeah, basically here is going to be a strong area which you will run into and find some support. Now it's quite clear and simple to me when you look at it. This is your uptrend like so, taking out this was the area of support on the 4H. Now obviously on the 1H the support area will look different, but I'm going to continue to use the 4H as it's the more powerful time frame. But we had that breakout of that area, which is this strong move, the pullback, and then your continuations. Now I hope you all understand that it's a little bit complicated if you're not quite sure on how market structure works, and if you're not too sure, just do a little bit of research, do some back testing, and you will start to get the grips of things quite well. But the markets move very similarly in crypto and forex. Now, I learnt my knowledge from trading forex, and now I've converted it back over into the crypto markets, basically doing the exact same thing. Now, I back tested this and I back tested it, and it's a very proven method in my opinion. Now, that is down for you to go and back test yourself and then live test within the markets. So yeah, that's basically it. My outlook on Algo at the minute is bearish, going off this market structure, and I will be continuing to look for sells until proven otherwise. Now, I will be doing a video on how I can look for a reversal in trend, so that might come maybe tomorrow. I might do a video on how to catch the reversals within the market, but of course for now, my opinion on Algo is bearish until proven otherwise, and I will be looking for price to push into these key areas of support. So hope you enjoyed the video. More videos to come on Algorand. Maybe tomorrow I'll do an update depending on how price moves, but that's it, won't keep going on. So appreciate you all tuning in, and I will see you all in the next video. Cheers everyone, take care, bye bye.